In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vlookup formula in Microsoft Excel. Vlookup is one of the most useful formulas in Excel when you want to find a specific value in a table and return something related to it. In this example, you will look up a product price using a product identifier. Take a moment to follow along with your own spreadsheet and make sure your columns match the structure we are using. First, label the headers in your sheet. In cell A1, type Product ID. In cell B1, type Price. Then in cell D1, type Lookup ID. These header names help Excel users understand what each column is for, and they also make it easier for you to double-check that you are using the correct cells in the formula. After you have added those labels, the next part is to set up the data entry area. You will have your lookup target entered in the Lookup ID column. Type your lookup target code inside your data entry cell D2. This value is the one you want Excel to search for in the product table. Make sure you enter the exact code that appears in your product ID column because Vlookup works with exact matches when you use the last argument as false. Now that the lookup value is in place, you can build the formula. Click cell E2. Cell E2 is where you want the result to appear, which in this case will be the matched price. Once you click cell E2, you are ready to type the Vlookup formula. When you are ready, type the formula exactly as follows. =Vlookup D2 A2 B6 2 falsely. As you type, notice how each part of the formula has a specific job. Vlookup starts by looking at the lookup value, which is D2. Then it searches within the range A2 B6. That range represents your table, where column A contains product IDs and column B contains the prices. The next number 2 tells Excel which column in that table range to return. Because price is the second column inside A2 B6, Excel will return the value from that second column. The final part, falsely, is very important. Falsely tells Excel to return an exact match only. This is the right choice when your product identifiers must match precisely, and you do not want Excel to return a close or approximate value. After you enter the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will instantly calculate and return the exact matching price for the lookup ID you entered in D2. If your lookup value matches one of the product IDs in A2 A6, you will see the corresponding price appear in E2. At this point, it is helpful to quickly verify the result. Look at the price displayed in E2 and compare it with the price value paired with the same product ID in your table. This small check ensures that you used the correct range and that the identifier you typed into D2 is aligned with the data in your spreadsheet. If you do not see the expected price, the most common reason is that the lookup value does not match exactly, or the product ID values in A2 A6 are not formatted the way you expect. Since we used falsely, Vlookup will not make assumptions. It will only return results for exact matches. Once everything is correct, you have successfully used Vlookup to connect a lookup identifier to a related value. You can repeat the same process for other lookup codes by typing new codes into D2 and letting Excel return the matching price. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.